Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize build RSVP forms using Google Forms and automation, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive and create a new Google form. Start by naming your form appropriately, something like build RSVP form. Add a section for collecting participant information, including fields like name and email. Include a question asking for the participant's role, such as, are you a builder or a client? Next, create a question for the build date, allowing them to choose from a date picker. Make sure to set the RSVP deadline by adding a date or time range for responses. Set the question type for responses to multiple choice or drop-down, depending on your preference. Now, navigate to the Responses tab to set up notifications for new submissions. Click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner and select Get Email Notifications for new responses. To automate follow-up, check if your Google form has a linked Google Sheet for responses. If not, click on the green Sheets icon to create one. In the new Google Sheet that opens, go to the Extensions menu and select Apps Script. This will open the Google Apps Script Editor. Delete any code in the editor. Here, you will write a script to send custom confirmation emails to participants. Define the function by typing function send confirmation emails. Next, retrieve the sheet and its data by using var_sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActiveSpreadsheet.getApp. Use conditional statements to check if the response is valid and not already processed. If valid, create a subject line and a message for the email confirmation. Utilize the MailApp service to send emails with mailapp.sendEmail, email, subject, message. Mark the processed entry in your save your script, then run the function to test if your setup works correctly. Return to your Google form and make sure the sharing settings allow responses from your intended audience. Consider adding a confirmation message to the form submission settings. You may also want to personalize the email template for a professional touch. Test the entire process by submitting a response to ensure everything runs smoothly. Finally, monitor the Google Sheet to check for incoming responses and automated emails. Your Build RSVP form with automation is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.